Good morning, this is Digam with the news. The news for today is about earthquake from Medan. The Jakarta Post of Medan said, relief workers struggled Tuesday to reach badly affected area in the North Sumatra Mandailing Nataragense after 5.7 magnitude earthquake destroyed hundreds of homes and displaced thousands of people the day before. The main roads leading to 3 out of 11 affected villages stayed closed Tuesday by triggered landslide, while hundreds of injured victims remained hungry and untreated. Imran Lubis, 42 years old resident of Pasar Muara Siponggi subdistrict, said Tuesday none of his family members had the courage to return home. His mother, wife, 3 children, and 2 brothers have all taken refuge at relative house in Padang Sidempuan Regency, some 160 kilometers away.
They are still traumatized. I'm the only one here guarding my home, said Imran, whose family and his wooden house is still standing after Monday trembler, which injured 150 people and damaged or destroyed 759 houses.
Another victim, 40 years old Yasia, was not so lucky, losing all of her immediate family, her father Yahya, her husband Imran, and 2 children Yundi and Ari. When the earthquake struck, Yasia was bathing in a river 30 meters away from her house before the morning prayers, while her family was still sleeping. Rushing home, she found her house buried by landslide.
Our house is located below a cliff, and when the quake hit, it collapsed and buried the house. All my family died, she said before breaking down.
I am Nova from Medan, reported out. That's all the news for today. See you next time. Goodbye.